Welcome all. We will discuss what is distributive property and we will see one sum with using distributive property. Now let us all discuss what is distributive property. What does this distributive means? We can say with algebraic expression like A into B plus C, that is equal to A into B plus this A into C. This rule is called as, this law is called as distributive under addition, and the same thing A into B minus C, that is A into B minus A into C. This property is called as distributive under addition and this is called as distributive under subtraction. So both are very clear, we are distributing A. So only this property can be named as distributive property. Now we are making use of this property in the sum. Now let me read the first sum, find using distributive, that is distributivity. The first one is minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3 plus minus 3 by 4 into 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Now closely keenly observe the two terms given. What do you mean by term? Term is nothing but when addition and subtraction comes, the term gets over or else the next second term starts. Now here it is plus, so this is one term and this is another term. So in this first term and the second term, you keenly observe what is the common number in this, what is the common rational number in this. Minus 3 by 4 is here also there in the first term and in the second term also minus 3 by 4 is there. So I am taking and writing minus 3 by 4 outside, that is I will write the property here A into B plus C, that is equal to A into B plus A into C. So this type, that is RHS and LHS. So this right hand side form is given there. So now I am going to make this one as a left hand side, that is this A is common for both the term, like A is common for both the term, I am taking and writing outside minus 3 by 4 multiply this. In this first term what is left out, that is 2 by 3 is left out, 2 by 3. This mathematical operation is plus, so will come plus, and this minus 5 by 6 in the second term. Since plus and minus together should not be like this, I am giving one bracket here. Now the closed bracket. Then do the mathematical operation first in the bracket, then come for the outer sign, that is 2 by 3 plus minus 5 by 6. Here 3 and here it is 6. We cannot add or subtract since this is unlike term, we have to make it like term. So minus 3 by 4 will be as such, and this 2 by 3, what is equivalent to 2 by 3? That is 6, 3 will come 6, so 2 will come as 4. Now 4 by 6 is the equivalent term, that is equivalent fraction of 2 by 3, and close the bracket here plus minus 5 by 6. So now this is like term, 6 and 6 denominator comes the same. So 4 plus minus 5, do the mathematical operation with the numerator alone. 4 plus of minus 5 is 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So here minus 3 by 4 into minus 1 by 6. Now numerator multiply by numerator, denominator multiply by denominator, that is minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3 and 4 6 are is 24, and then we can reduce this fraction to equivalent fraction, that is 1 by 8. By 3 table we can cancel. Thank you children.